is it probably easier to predict maintenance costs for a turnkey versus some of the other ones? Or like, how does that work for a new investor who's walking into one of those deals and trying to, analyze how they're going to be going month to month?
Yeah, I don't know. Cause here's the deal with a turnkey, we're going to like rip out good mechanicals, which is one thing I've never liked about turnkey, because the hope is that you would lower maintenance costs. But a lot of BrrrKeys aren't going to pencil if we're tearing out a usable air conditioner or a usable water heater just to say it's new and turnkey. That's one of my problems with the turnkey is it's like we're getting rid of some really good assets. So with a BrrrKey, as long as the mechanical's functional, we're gonna keep letting it ride. I need to probably find some data from property management, but I have not seen, because like for me personally, I've never done a rehab on one of my own rentals that would be full turnkey.
Okay.
If the AC's working, if the heater's working, if the water heater's working,
get some more life out of it.
Yeah, why not? But then a new investor gets so panicky over a maintenance expense, where I just know it's a cost of doing business.
Right.
And then technically, let's say I buy a house today and then I got to replace, let's say I got to replace an HVAC unit, $4,500 3 years from now.
Yeah.
I've already made 20 grand on appreciation on that house. So I'd rather do it 3 years from now.
Sure.
And get the write-off.
Yep.
So that's the other reason I would, I encourage people who are very liquid to do the BrrrKeys.
Yeah.
And because they can move faster too.
Sure. Yeah. Is there a possibility? Because a flip key is going to take a few months to do, right?
Not as long as a BrrrKey.
Sure. Okay. And is there a possibility of, it's not going to appraise at the value that is expected?
Yeah, that's one of the risks that,
always a
that
risk.
you go through. And so I'm actually on our monthly call today, I'm actually going through how we do our appraisal process. But we run our own internal comps. I'm an agent, so I run an agent comp. But then the agent who's going to be selling the flip also runs their comp and says, hey, here's what the scope needs to look like, because they don't want to waste their time listing the house if it's not going to sell fast.
Right. Yeah. Nice. So it seems like every strategy, even for somebody that has a cash machine, high performing, has its benefits and different aspects to it that make it part of their strategy. So is this part of when you said you define their buying criteria?
Yeah.
In like that target setting call?
Yeah.
This is where you're going to start to establish like basically what their customized plan is? So
like I was on one last week and it was a dude making like $750,000 a year actively. And he's like, Jimmy, I want to flip a bunch. And he lives in California. His effective tax rate is like 50%. I was like, why? He's like, I want more cash. And I'm like, why? I'm like, you got on this call telling me you want to build your wealth and, get some tax advantage because you have a huge tax target on your back. And he's like, oh yeah, you're right. And I'm like, so that's where there's got to be that personalized plan. Because if you have an effective tax rate of 45 to 50%,
right,
and you flip a house, when I flip a house, I pay ordinary income taxes on it.
Right.
And so I was just like, let's say you make 30 grand on a flip and then you have to give 15 of it to the government. Why not keep it as a BRRRR and then do a cost seg study on it and actually save on taxes, and then that 30 grand that you were going to pocket, just keep it on your balance sheet. And so that's why there has to be a personalized plan. Can't necessarily say, hey, this is a one size fits all.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah. So hence the importance of that target setting call. Once they join the program, say, hey, we're trying to get that 20 unit portfolio, but here's how we're going to do this.
Yeah.
These many deals a year, these types of deals, particular criteria.
Yep.
Very cool. That makes a lot of sense.
So if you like what you heard today and you want to learn more, sign up for a discovery call with one of the Breland Capital success coaches at jimmybreland.com.